With WP Fluent Form, you can add a ratings input field in your form. The rating field comes with a few default settings for the ease of users, but these default settings can be customized as well. Please keep in mind this is a pro feature. Purchase WP Fluent Form Pro add-on from the link provided in description to use this functionality. Drag and drop the ratings input field button in your form editor from the Advanced Field tab. Or you can just click on the button and a ratings input field will be added below the last selected input field in the editor. Or click on the plus icon below the last added input field and select ratings field. Hover on the ratings input field and click on the edit button to customize it. Edit element level according to how you want it to be shown in the form. Adjust element level's position using the level placement option. Define admin field level to identify the input field to the admins if necessary. Edit, add or remove ratings options. Checkmark any one of them to be the default option. The rating options can be renamed as well. Drag and drop the options by grabbing the markers to rearrange them. Click on the plus icon besides the options to add more option. Click on the minus icon beside the options to remove that option. Define if the rating option text should be shown or not with the show text option. Determine if the input field is required or not. A personalized error message can be set as well. In advanced options, define a help message if needed. This help message will be shown as a tooltip. Learn more about help message customization in form layout settings documentation. The input field's name attribute is the HTML equivalent of the same name. Define if there are any conditions to be fulfilled for this input field. Learn more about conditional logics in the link given in description.